Hey, wealth creators. I just wanted to bring to your attention some of the highest rate CD products around. I've discovered two 9-month CDs with a 5.5% APY. One is with a bank and the other is with the credit union. Now, these rates are changing all the time. These won't last long, so please make sure to like and subscribe for some of the highest rate investment products around. Now, I have to disclaimer, this is not investment advice. I'm just a smart guy on the internet. Now, the first thing you want to do if you're looking at putting your money into any bank is look up their status with the FDIC. Make sure that they're FDIC insured, and that is insurance up to $250,000 if the bank goes bust. So don't ever put more than $250,000 in one single bank. And if you're looking at putting your money into a credit union, make sure that you go to the ncua.gov, which is essentially the FDIC for credit unions, and it's the same thing. It insures you up to $250,000 in case the credit union goes bust. So don't ever put more than $250,000 into one single credit union. The links to look up institutions on FDIC.gov and ncua.gov will be in the description. And it's prudent to check to make sure that the institutions that you're putting your money into are federally insured. Now, the first CD I want to bring up is with Northern Bank Direct. I want to disclose I'm not being paid by them. I've just discovered that they have a beautiful rate of 5.5% for a 9-month CD. There will be some terms and conditions that you'll have to agree to, but they are FDIC insured, and you can check that yourself. And the other CD that I wanted to mention is with NASA Federal Credit Union. It's a 9-month CD with a 5.5% APY. And if you're looking at putting your money into a credit union, make sure that you go to the ncua.gov, which is essentially the FDIC for credit unions, and it's the same thing. Now, there's talk about the Federal Reserve pausing rates very soon and potentially lowering rates as we go into a potential recession. So it may be a good idea to lock in some of these higher rates now. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know if rates could go higher or lower later this year. But what I do know is that 5.5% is historically an extremely good rate, and it's only 9 months. Do not put more than the insured amount, $250,000, into the CD. And if you do decide to open high-yield savings accounts with some of these newer banks and smaller institutions, just be careful. Make sure you ask, hey, what's the maximum daily withdrawal amount? Because if you deposit a large amount, they could limit you to $2,000 a day, and it could take you weeks, if not months, to get your money out. So make sure you ask questions like that. And please be sure to stay tuned for ideas on how to create and grow your wealth.